Ready to take your Alight Motion edits from basic to breathtaking with the power of keyframes. First, select the layer you want to animate. Keyframes control properties like position, scale, rotation, and opacity. Now, tap on Transform. This is where all the magic happens. See that diamond icon next to position? Tap it. That adds your first keyframe, marking the starting point. Next, move the timeline indicator, that little white line with the triangle, to the point where you want the animation to end. Now, adjust the object's position on the screen. Alight Motion automatically adds a second keyframe. Hit play and watch your shape move between those two keyframes. That's the basic principle. The same principle applies to scale, rotation, and opacity. Add a keyframe, move the timeline indicator, then change the value. Change the value and see it create a second keyframe. For smoother animations, experiment with the graph editor. Tap the three dots next to the property, and then choose the graph editor to adjust the easing. So there you have it, keyframes unlock endless possibilities in Alight Motion. Now go wild and animate something amazing.